The 2013 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, XM satellite radio, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, center armrest, AM/FM CD MP3 radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.